1 million peso bounty has been offered by the House Quad Committee to speed up the capture of a key officer who signed off on the disbursement check receipts of the OVP and DepEd that will hopefully bring closure to the probe on the alleged fund misuse by both offices. Meanwhile, a House Deputy Majority Leader warns the public to be vigilant on their online purchases, while another is pushing back on the former president's latest accusation as we hear more from our Mela Lesmoras.
The House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability has offered a 1 million peso reward to anyone who can provide information on Mary Grace Piatos. Piatos was one of the signatories in the suspicious acknowledgement receipts used in the liquidation of the confidential funds of the Office of the Vice President in 2022. According to Panel Vice Chair Jefferson Conghun, they aim to conclude the investigation into the alleged misuse of confidential funds in the OVP and the DepEd very soon, so they are eager to bring forward anyone who can shed more light on the matter.
Kasi hindi kami naniniwala na totoong may Mary Grace Piatos. So, sinasabi nila, totoo. So, kung sino yung mga kakatulong sa amin para mahanap si Mary Grace Piatos, handa pong magbigay ng pabuya, no?
Meanwhile, the House Quad Committee for its part refuted a statement by former President Rodrigo Duterte who claims Malacanang was allegedly behind the attacks of former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV against him. Duterte and Trillanes faced off during the Quadcom's last hearing and tensions nearly escalated into a physical confrontation.
Consistent naman po yata yung reputation niya na he has been a fiscalizer ever since. That's the way he works, so I think he's doing it on his own.
Earlier, several committees also conducted hearings on other vital issues. During the discussion of the Trade and Industry Panel, House Deputy Majority Leader Erwin Tulfo berated several online shopping apps in the country for selling products that either did not undergo proper inspection or were counterfeit.
Tignan nun ninyo, pag bumili ho kayo ng produkto online, dapat may mga tatak po yan na mga PS or ICC, inspection, na dumaan po, nakalagay DTI. Kung wala hong ganun, wag ho ninyong bilihin yan dahil baka mamaya peke ho yan.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.